Hey, is this your first time at this conference?
Yeah, it is. I didn't expect it to be this crowded. How about you?
Same here, but the coffee is saving my life today.
I'm sorry, Sam. Have you tried the snack over there?
Not yet, I've been too busy listening to the sessions.
Which session did you like the most?
I like the one about data security. It was really interesting.
Oh yeah, I joined that one too. It made me realize how important security is.
Exactly. Are you working in IT field or still studying?
I'm still studying, but I'm interested in data and technology.
That's great. I think this kinda even really help us learn more.
True. Anyway, nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too. See you around.
See you.